Have a good day to all of you, my beloved followers. I'm back to share another video that I'm sure you'll learn something. If you are interested in this kind of content and if you have just watched my video for the first time, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the notification bell and then select all to notify you of my next videos.
Hello everyone, do you know guys that you can also use Imbib's Obfuscator app to encrypt the key for the admin access so that your coins can be unlimited in your VPN apps. Okay, so just like the GMGC SSH2 source that I showed you before. I will show you the app. Okay, this one. So many people said that it is difficult to do that, but don't worry guys, because I will show you now here on how we can do that. So as you can see, the GMGC SSH2 application, I mean the VPN application, there is a coins manager. So as you can see, the current coins is unlimited now. Okay, so because in this source code there is a coins manager. On this, inside the coins manager, or inside the coins activity.java, there is a key to get unlimited coins. Okay, so I will try to clear data first to show you inside the coins manager. Okay, I will try to clear data first and then reopen the application. Okay, so Addtime feature. So as you can see, my current coins is only one. Okay, to make it unlimited, or to access the admin access, I mean to make it unlimited, we need the key inside the coins activity.java, and I will show you where. Inside the coins.java, there is a private string key here, and I put inside this GMGC. This GMGC is the key to get unlimited coins. Okay, so let's try to use this one. Phrase timer. Okay, I will try to put the key GMGC and then authorize. As you can see, the current coins is now unlimited. Okay, so we need to encrypt this one. Okay, so they said it is possible to encrypt this string key by just using the Obfuscator tool made by MDevs. Yes, you can do that, or we can use this tool to encrypt the string key inside the coins activity. Okay, so the question, how we can do that? Okay, so don't worry guys, because in this video I will show you now here on how we can change this or how we can protect or encrypt the string key inside the coins activity.java by just using the Obfuscator tool made by MDevs. Okay, so as you can see, I converted I encrypt my GMGC, and this is the result. I will copy this one and go back here in coins activity.java. So how we can put it here? So all you have to do is to delete this one and then paste it here. Okay, so you can also change this MDevs to what to whatever you want to replace it here. Okay, so I will change this MDevs into my desired name. Okay, so this one refactor, rename from MDevs into GMGC dev. So big thanks to the owner of this Obfuscator application. Thank you so much, Master, for sharing this tool, because with this tool we can encrypt my string inside the Java. Okay, so to make it sure that this is working or not, I will uninstall the old one and then reinstall this new John Stack. Okay, I will install this new one. Okay, so for those if you are new to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time in my YouTube channel, so please click the subscribe button to support my YouTube channel. Okay, and then click the notification bell, then select all, so that you will be notified to all my videos. Okay, so install. Let's see if this is working or not. Don't be afraid, guys, why my voice was changed, because I am too lazy to use the text to speech, especially when the signals weak, because the other videos, my previous videos, I use text to speech. That is why the pronunciation or my grammar, the pronunciation or the accent was different. Okay, so let's try now. Addtime. And then, as you can see, my current coins is only 1. And let's do again. Let's try again to make it unlimited. Okay, and again, my key is GMGC authorized. Okay, I successfully turn it into unlimited coins. Okay, so I will now try to add coins. Okay, so I have it here, 24 days remaining time, and then add more, and I want to add more. Okay, it's up to you guys. You can add time as much as you can. Okay, that's all in this video, and I hope you learned something at least. Don't forget to click the subscribe, like, and then comment if you want. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much.